Okay, so tonight I will be playing Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, GTA San Andreas. एंड ये मेरा नया सेगमेंट है मेरे चैनल पे जहाँ पे मैं पुराने वाले गेम्स खेलूँगा. एंड अगर आप पूछोगे गमछा किस लिए है, तो ये गमछा हमारे प्यारे आमिर भाई के लिए, जो आज सुबह टिकटॉक की रेटिंग देख के जिनके होश उड़ चुके हैं, उनके लिए, उनके सम्मान में मैंने ये क्या गमछा पहना है. सो एनीवेज, विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम. मैं ये गेम पास अब 7 साल बाद खेल रहा हूँ. द लास्ट टाइम आई प्लेड दिस गेम आई वॉज इन 7 और अब मैं 14th में हूँ. सो ये अब 7 साल हो गए. आई होप इस टाइम ना अटके, लास्ट टाइम अटक गया था. सो अब देखते हैं. इट स्टार्टेड. शुरू हो गया. इट स्टार्टेड. यार मुझे नहीं देखना है, कौन देखता है GTA में, कौन देखता है. ओके, रिकॉर्डेड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम. I have to purchase a house, I think so. Somewhere nearby there is a house, I have to purchase it. Or somehow around like 10,000, I think so. This is the first ever mission you will ever get in GTA. Purchase a house. घर ले ले. Without codes, how the GTA will work? If you know what I mean. I purchased a house. Let's start. Now अब कुछ ही लफड़ा करते हैं यार. कौन इतना पढ़ाई कौन करता है यहाँ पे GTA पे. इतना रूल्स के साथ कौन खेलता है. थोड़ा ही लफड़ा बनता है. सम ही लफड़ा शुड बी देयर. ओह सॉरी, ई लफड़ा शुड बी देयर. Skit. GTA vehicle controls are very difficult, but once you know how to control them, it's super easy. But you should know how to control it. You have to practice a lot. We are at pizza shop. Last time my game stuck at here. Oh. Okay. Why this is not working? Oh, okay. I want some guns for Ilafada. Okay. Now we are in toys. Who says cycles are toys? Cycles are not toys, man. They are vehicles. You can travel through them. I mean travel through, no, not through, but travel with them. Who says the cycles are the toys, man? This is GTA logic. Yes. A salute for them who made this game look like this. Wow. Oh, train station. I haven't traveled in train since a lot days because lockdown is going on over here. So let's travel in train. At least we can travel in virtual world. So चलो यार घूम के आते. मुंबई के लोकल में नहीं घूमे, बहुत दिन हो गए. चलो इसी ट्रेन में घूम लेंगे. Oh, police officer. He is dead? He is dead. I'm so pissed. Oh! This happened first time in my life. Wow. This is so awesome. GTA was made so awesomely. Like they have every fine details like a city ever has, and that's what the thing I love about GTA. Let's try Rocketman. No, jump jet. Jet. And we got a jet here. YPWZQP. Okay, I have a jet now, and I'm going to San Francisco. If you don't know, San Andreas map consists of 3 cities. One of them is being San Francisco, Las Vegas, and third one is which I don't know actually. But yeah, 3 famous cities from America. Airport is there. Wow. Oh, it has missiles too. Wow, I saw that. Okay, we will land somewhere over here. I'm gonna drop a missile on that. Oh, okay, I have to go under it. Is it destroyed? Stop. It's not destroyed. Come on, man. I tried so hard to destroy it. Professional script. Okay. Let's try something as grenades over it. Okay, it's destroyed. But the awesome thing about it is, if you go away from it and come back again after some time, you will get a new jet over there. That's the awesome thing, most awesome thing in GTA. I think we should leave for San Francisco now. There we go. I'm doing some crazy stunts. I'm for sure a bad pilot. Run. No. It's just gonna explode. Oh, we will do it. Okay. It exploded. And now I go back over there where the old aeroplane was, and you can see that I have one new aeroplane. Let's go and check out. They just replaced. Oh, there you go. Can you see a new plane? Oh, it is there. Told you before. Yeah, just like, okay, you destroyed old, we will give you a new one. हम दे देंगे ना आपको, दे रहे हम replacement दे रहे. It's a replacement guarantee scheme. Okay, I just target over here, San Francisco, so that it will be simple for us to get over there. Okay. Okay, I targeted that area where I want to land. But first I will wear a parachute because safety comes first. Okay, wait a second, wait a second. TWZ, okay. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, sorry, sorry. You have to turn in the direction where the target mark is there. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Oh, there is the Hollywood mark. It says Winewood in San Andreas. I don't know what does that mean. I guess the mark is there. आमिर भाई का घर का काम आया. ओके मैन, टिकटॉक को 1.3 रेटिंग. आज सुबह मैंने देखा 5 दिन पहले 4.5 रेटिंग थी. पूरे एक कंट्री ने टिकटॉक को गिरा डाला. 1.3 रेटिंग पे गिरा के लेके आया. व्हाट अ ऑडियंस कैरी में दे हैव. वाओ, जस्ट वाओ. I think so. His audience is most loyal audience in the world. Gary Minadi की audience उतनी loyal है, and that's the good thing about him. Okay, I think so. We are about to reach our San Francisco point where we targeted that mark. Yes, this is the San Francisco Bridge. Okay, now it's going to be some Bollywood movie scene. Oh, and here is our mark, and here we go. Oh, there are tram tracks. See over here. सैन एंड्रियास में ट्राम भी थी, बट ये मेरे को पता नहीं था कि ऐसे 3 आइलैंड्स है. ये मेरे दोस्त ने अभी अभी मुझे बताया था. सो आई वाज लाइक मुझे एक बार ये ट्राम ट्राई करनी है. सो मुझे लगा कि ट्राम आ रही है पीछे से. इट्स जस्ट अ पुलिस वैन. अंकल मेरे को गाड़ी दे दो. अंकल मेरे को चलाना आता है, मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया है. अंकल गाड़ी दे दो. ओ आई गॉट, सॉरी अंकल, सॉरी. मेरे को आता है, मेरे मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया हमको. मेरे को Did I just killed one of those pedestrians? What is this, mainland China? Oh man. No, पता नहीं है सैन फ्रांसिस्को की गलियाँ ऐसी क्यों रहती है. आई सॉ इन वेनम मूवी 2. भैया वो ऐसे एकदम बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल ये है. क्या कहते हैं, स्लोप बहुत पावरफुल है उसकी. Oh, and we come again over here. We left our game. That's over this monument in the game. One of my friends said me about this, that this is an awesome monument and something is related with the history of San Francisco. I don't know what it is, but it's awesome. It's looking awesome. I don't know anything why it is here. What does this mean? But I heard it on internet too. Oh भाई क्या पता आपने को भी. Okay, so we are going over there. On the crane, to jump off the crane, and then we will be ending our game for tonight. So let's get to the crane directly. आ जाओ. We are here. We are here. KIYPWZQP. Oh, so dead by now. And this is all for tonight. We are ending our stream over here. एंड ये वीडियो जल्दी आ जाएगा मेरे चैनल पे, सो चैनल को लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना फॉर मोर कंटेंट लाइक दिस. एंड मेरे एक अगला नया टिकटॉक का रोस्ट आने वाला है, सो उसके लिए वेट करना. एंटिल देन गुड बाय.